Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another video. Today I am going to teach you guys how to link your Metamask wallet to the Avalanche blockchain so that way you can enjoy all the beautiful projects, coins, nodes, everything that's releasing on the AVAX network daily. You guys don't want to miss this. Avalanche is notorious now for the cheapest gas fees on the blockchain and the fastest transactions on the blockchain, at least for me. I mean, like, most of my transactions are 20 cents and they go through within 5 seconds. It's amazing. My most expensive transaction is $2. On the other hand, Ethereum mainnet is like an $86 fee, a $130 fee. It is insane and disgusting. So AVAX is a gem, and I'm going to show you guys how to connect it right here. So you're going to first want to be in your MetaMask. You would normally be here on your Ethereum mainnet in your MetaMask wallet. That is your default setting of your MetaMask. Now, if you do not have a MetaMask, which is the wallet that I would use to do this, you just go to MetaMask wallet, hop in here, you could hit download. You got 3 options. PC, you can go on Chrome, you could do it on your Apple phone, you could do it on your Android. Once you've got that finished, you're going to want to come into Google and just type in Avalanche wallet MetaMask. Easy peasy. Support AVAX network. First result right here. How do I set up MetaMask on Avalanche? We pop in here. This is your MetaMask. This is what your MetaMask wallet looks like right here. I'll show you guys what to do. You'd come in here and you'd add network. Once you're in add network, you're on your extension, your Chrome extension. This is assuming you're on PC, but I imagine the phone, it doesn't look much different. When you scroll down here a little further, all 5 of the boxes that you need to fill in here are in order. You want to make sure that you're actually here. You're actually on the real AVAX network support. And then you go through it one at a time and carefully copy and paste. You don't want to type this because you get 1 digit wrong and you mess up your whole wallet. And where's this money we're talking about? You guys don't want to mess with our money. The one thing I will type in is AVAX because I know the symbol. There we go. Boom, here we are. You've got all 5 filled in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you come right here and you hit save. It's not going to let me save because I've already got it configured. But once you do save, you're going to come on back into your MetaMask here. Check out your MetaMask. You'll scroll down and you'll see that you not only have the Ethereum mainnet, but you also have the Avalanche network. With your Avalanche network, you'll be able to fund your wallet with this copy address, this wallet address right here. Use this to copy and then send your AVAX into your wallet here, and then you'll be able to use that on several sites such as Trader Joe, Margin Swap, Trader Joe right here, XYZ, Margin Swap right here.
Alrighty guys, now that we're in Margin Swap, I just wanted to show you guys this so that way you guys have an idea of what you could use your Avalanche MetaMask for. This is what I use. This is how I got my SoldierNodes. This is how I got my louverture. You don't use Margin, you use Spot. You move over here to Spot. You just be on this site. I'm going to put this link in the description for you guys. And then you'd paste whatever token that you want here. So for instance, let's say you did want SoldierNodes, the coin that I just covered in yesterday's video. Let's say you want SoldierNodes. You come to your coin market cap and you paste. Make sure it's Avalanche. It has to be an Avalanche contract. But this is where you go now. Whenever you go on coin market cap and you see a coin that you want to get into and you see that it's on Avalanche, now you have a way to buy this coin. You hit this copy address right here. Ready? Check it out. Paste. There it is. SLD. See, I've got 40 in my wallet right now. So I can't buy very much because it's like that. But if I wanted to sell my SLD and retrieve AVAX for it, now see, I can retrieve 2.78 AVAX for my SLD. So you can trade back and forth. You could obtain coins and then sell your coins back for your AVAX. And this is how you would do this. You come in here, you hit confirm swap, and then it's going to pull up your wallet right here. Check it out. It'll pull up your wallet. And look at this transaction fee. It's so tiny. This transaction fee, this is like 45 cents, 48 cents right here to transfer, what was that, almost $400 worth of stuff. See what I'm saying? So it's like a 0.001 fee. It's so minuscule and tiny, guys. It's amazing, dude.
And that's pretty much it, guys, start to finish. How to connect your MetaMask, some ideas of where you'll be able to use your AVAX. Like I said, there's a lot of great projects releasing on the Avalanche Blockchain now, so you're not going to want to miss this. You're going to want to get that on here, and you're going to want to fund your AVAX, so that way you can find yourself some gems. All right? Happy hunting, guys. Have a great day.